Hello, creators and website owners. When your website becomes popular, like you are running a news website or blog, you can say, a popular website can run advertisements on ad spaces on the popular pages or the main pages, and this is considered to be running ads and generating income through ad is most convenient and very traditional and long tested revenue model for websites as always. So in this video we have a complete ad manager solution for WordPress website that you can use at any WordPress site with any theme or any set of plugins. This is Ads Pro plugin, which is a multi-purpose WordPress ad manager. So why this is so popular, I'll show you in the video itself. And if you are looking for a complete advertisement solution, this is going to be a best choice for you. Ads Pro is a premium WordPress ad plugin that helps you to manage, sell, and display your advertising spaces. So you can create a spaces, you can run Google ads, you can run affiliate ads, or even local business listing ads. So it is totally configurable, and you can actually grow your revenue using this ad spaces from your website. So this is a very good concept of business, right? So Ads Pro plugin has got already very good number of sales, 10,749 as on date when I am recording this video. Very good reviews from its existing users. It is a product that you can buy at codecanyon.net through the video description link, but you need to watch this complete video to understand all the process and the features that you can use. So I'll take you to the backend directly, and this is installed dashboard. I have already installed the plugin, and it shows all the insights like ad spaces, how many clicks are there, impressions, CTR, and total earning. Yes, you can run a complete ad management solution through this plugin. So CTR and the earnings is also calculated here, and accordingly you can ask the payment from your clients who are running the ad. So this dashboard will show all the details. Since there is no ad configured, this is just a demo instance, it is showing 000, right? The first step is to create spaces and ads, and the first thing that you need to do before you start selling, so you need to create ad spaces. So I'll show you the simple step. So status, you have to select active. Here we are creating ad spaces. A space name, you can name a space, name the ad space so that you may recognize where it is running. A space title, the space button, and all. Billing models, like how you are going to charge for this ad, like fill price fields only for the first contract, because prices and for other contracts will be generated automatically. So it is all mentioned here. Like if you are willing to run the CPC, cost per click ad, you can fill the price what you are going to charge, and just one consideration, one parameter is enough as written over here. Discount, the space layout settings, like if you want to show like a grid, so with gutter between ads, with vertical gutter between ads and all. So you can select the block sizes are here, so all standard size you can select here, and depending upon the ad size, and if you are running the Google ads, so you can select the respective size. Display type is default, however you can change the display type, like show ads statically one row or the in one column and all. So you can configure everything and simply save the space. And since I have not filled the parameters, it will not be created. Okay, spaces had not been saved because I have not filled the requisite things. But yes, this is how you can configure the things. You can add new ad when you have created the spaces here. So after creating the space, you can add You can add new advertisements, which uh, banner or text is to be shown on the selected layout. So just to illustrate, I created one space and also check all the spaces. So one is created here and it can be used in form of short code and all. So we can add new ad here once it is created. So and the ad can be placed as per selected parameter, like live preview can be seen once we upload the content. A status is draft or status can be changed. So spaces, sidebar or CPC, what the parameters I selected for creating the ad space is here. Either it can be URL or image. So you can select the image what is to be displayed here. Like I selected WP banner here, WPT banner here, so it can be displayed, and just save the ad. So it will start displaying on the front end of the website. Next, we have HTML5 creator, which is a new feature on this tool, and this is very interactive tool. So you can create ad directly here. So using these all options, so customization options and all is here. So you can use this for creating new ad sets. Next, we have a standard ad creator if you are not using the HTML5. So you can set the image width and image height, and you can create the ad. Schedule task is also here, and A/B testing has been given to check the actual performance which ad is performing well. So you can select the ad if you have, and user manager is another thing where you can set the user who are going to access, like set free ads or access on the ads, and all such things can be set. Settings is always important thing where you can set the basic parameter and you can set the details for charging the things, and the price formats and all these things can be set here. So I feel you should use this solution, because when you are having a robust solution, it is going to serve in many ways, and you just need to spend $63, and I am sure you'll cover this amount in just few days when you start running ads. So there are much more solutions available on the Codecanyon and in form of plugin itself, but this one is very popular. And if you feel any difficulty, if you are facing any difficulty, if you want to know much about this feature and the configuration options, simply write in the comment or join the iCreate program. iCreate program is free when you are buying plugin through the video description link. Even you are not buying, you can discuss there, and mentors are there to help you all around for your WordPress website. In the next video, I'm coming with more solutions for you, and I'm sure you are exploring the solution that has been overviewed on the channel, and you are a regular visitor and subscriber as well. Let us meet on the next video. Thanks for watching.